Hello, I'm How To Bob, and I made this video to show you how to change the spark plug wire on a Toro Push Mower. You see, I try to start the mower and it just doesn't start. It's getting fuel, everything's looking good, but it's just not getting spark. You can see that the spark plug boot does not fit tight against the spark plug, so it's going to need to be replaced. So I'm going to start out with a 10mm socket and remove the 3 screws on the top of the mower. And then I can remove the pull start mechanism, save the nuts. You can see it's spring loaded, so I'll just let that go. Then the top cover will pull straight off, and there'll be 3 little bushings or spacers that I want to keep an eye on. So I'll put the nuts back on to hold those into place, and I'm going to replace the whole coil, so I have to remove the grounding wire, and again I'll use the 10mm socket. The coil is permanently attached to the spark plug wire, so I need to replace the whole coil, and it's just a bolt holding that in. And then this one, the whole stud comes out. It goes all the way up and holds on the top shroud. Once I get that off, I have to unthread the spark plug, and here's the tip that broke off inside the boot. Now the new coil came with a real long wire. I don't need that, so I'm going to take that off, unplug it, and discard that, because I'll use the one that's connected to the mower itself. And I'm going to set that right there for now. I want to sand down the flywheel. It's got a little rust on it. I might as well get that cleaned up while I'm under here. So my coil has to go on with the plug facing the wire, and I'll feed the spark plug wire down kind of close to where it needs to go. And then I'm going to screw the stud in. And I like to start these out by hand to make sure that I don't cross thread. And then I can put the other bolt in. And once I get those in, I'm going to snug them down just a little bit. I don't want them real tight because I have to set the air gap. So just get those a little bit tight. And you can see the air gap for this particular Toro mower is to be set at 0.010. So I've got my feeler gauge. I'm going to rotate the flywheel around until the magnet shows up, and it'll pull the coil in. So I'll have to pull the coil out. Then I can put my feeler gauge in between, and it'll actually pull the coil up against the feeler gauge and set it to the correct air gap. And once that gets to the correct position, I'll tighten down the bolt and check it, and then repeat the process on the other side. Rotate the magnet around to the other side of the coil, slide the feeler gauge in and push the coil up against the feeler gauge, and then tighten down the stud. So now with my air gap set, I'll plug the wire back into the coil, and then I'll put the top shroud back into place, and then the pull start mechanism, got to line it up with the hub on top of the motor, and then tighten down the 3 nuts on the top. Once those are tight, plug my spark plug wire into the spark plug. Just slide the boot over, push it in tight till it clicks into place, and then we can give it a test start. And it looks like that works fine. So that's how you replace the spark plug wire on a Toro lawnmower. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for all the updates. I'm How To Bob. As always, thanks for watching.